Hello everyone, welcome to Praveen Designs. If you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button to get more Canva and designing related videos. Today we are going to learn how to remove background using Canva and then add an white outline using Canva. First select an image. If you are using Canva Pro version, you can remove the background easily using one click. If you don't have a Canva Pro account, then you can use sites like REMOVE.BG or PIXLR. These sites are free and easy to use. After removing the background, click on the image, then select Edit Image. Then in Shadows, double click on Glow. There you can set the size to 10, transparency to 100 and blur to 1. You can change the color to white or any color you like. After selecting the outline color, click on Apply. This is the simple way to remove the background and add white outline using Canva. If you learned something in this video, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.